Hello, beauties. So I'm sure probably by now you know how to install a wig, right? But I want you to watch me install this wig while I give you some motivation for the 2024 year coming. I just want to let you know that it's time for you to start that YouTube channel if you want to start that YouTube channel. It's time for you to start that TikTok if you want to. It's time for you to start your business if you want to start your business. Now is the time. Don't let anything demotivate you or sidetrack you from getting started. For the last few years, I've been doing YouTube and I've been struggling to grow on my YouTube channel. It's not easy, nothing is easy, and no one promised that it was going to be easy. But one thing that I am not going to do is give up. I am not going to give up because that is not an option for me. And I know there's a lot of people out there right now who have talent. They're passionate about something and they would like to start something, but they're scared, or maybe they don't have the resource. Maybe you don't have the resource to start. Maybe you don't have access to the finer things in life or the things that you need to start. But I remember at the beginning of this year, 2023, I had written down some goals and some things that I would like to achieve and things that I was working towards. And one thing that was on the top of my list, which kind of really has nothing to do with what I'm saying right now, is the one thing that was on top of my list was that I wanted to get close to God. Because I believe that if my relationship with Him is strong, then I'll be able to achieve anything that I want to achieve. I believe that I will be able to come in contact with the right people, and that will make my dreams become a reality. And I started at the beginning of this year to get close to Him. I went on fasting. I pray every day. I seek His face. I was hungry for Him, and I've written down some things that I wanted to achieve and things that I wanted to do and things that I wanted to start. And I'm sure that at this moment right now, I can tick off a lot of them that I've gone through and that I've come through. And there are more. And I'm sure that coming 2024, things will start to fall in place at the right time. And so I just want to encourage you, because I know that a lot of people out there want to start their business. I started my business about a year now or 2 years now. And best believe that starting a business is not easy. It is hard, and it comes with, it's hard. It's not like you're going to wake up one day and just create a website, buy some products, or create a website, start a service, start to advertise your service, and then bam, you start to make money and then you get rich. It goes deeper than that, But don't give up on your dream. Be your biggest cheerleader. When no one else is cheering you on, cheer on yourself. Be confident, believe in yourself when no one else believing in you. And if you fail 10 times, you need to get up, dust yourself off, and try again. Come up with another strategy if that's what you need to do. Come up with an idea, revamped if you need to do that. Recreate, do whatever you need to do and whatever you can do, whatever is possible for you to do. Dig deep. I am sure that when God created you with something. God created you with a purpose, with a passion, with something. There has to be something that you like. There has to be something that you enjoy doing. There has to be something that you're passionate about. There has to be. You cannot tell me that God created you empty, with nothing inside of you, no passion, nothing. I just don't believe that. Dig deep and find your passion. Find something that you enjoy doing. Do you enjoy talking? Are you a motivator? Are you the one who is always motivating people, even when you're going through your rough times? And that person is me. I may be going through a rough time, but I always put that aside when possible and put people's needs before me. Are you that person? Do you love doing your hair? Can you sew? Can you cook? What can you do? Can you talk? Do you love to talk? Can you write? What can you do? Can you create books to put on Amazon? Can you design? Are you good at graphics design, basic designs? There must be something that you're good at. So I just want to encourage you that 2024 is just 3 weeks away from here. and it's kind of hard to believe. And every time, one of the most emotional time of the year for me is when I'm stepping into a new year, because I don't know what that new year has in store for me. And I always anticipate. I'm not the one who's going to write down New Year's resolution. Oh, I'm gonna stop doing this, or I'm gonna stop doing that for 2024. I don't write down New Year's resolution. I write down goals. I write down things that I want to achieve, places that I want to go, things that I want to do, and becoming the best version of me, and I'm always realistic about it. If it's something that I know that's maybe not gonna happen, then I'm not going to put a time frame on it. I'm just gonna write it down and work towards it. So I just wanted to come in here and say that while you watch me install this wig, I'm not the best. I must say that I'm not the best at installing wigs. I'm not the best, but I guarantee you that one day I'll become great. I guarantee you that one day my business will blow up, and that one day I'll be able to make a lot of money from YouTube and a lot of money from my business. A lot of money in a way that I'll be able to survive, and that I'll be able to travel the world and go the places that I need to go and live the life that I need to live and have the peace that I need to have. My birthday just passed a week ago, and I got a message on my phone from a bank, and they usually send me messages on my birthday, but there was something about that message that resonates with me and stood out. And I think that's just something that I need to live by coming 2024. I remember the message says, I wish you peace and success for the year ahead. And I wish myself peace and success for the year ahead. And whoever is watching this video right now, I wish you peace and success for the year ahead. I'm a person who I value my peace. My peace is my number one priority. And I've always wanted to become successful at everything that I do. And so that message will always stood up with me and stays with me. And I'll always remember that my aim for 2024 is to have peace and success. Peace and success. You may want something else. Your dream may be something else. You may be desiring something else. But the only thing I desire is peace and success. And I felt like they knew. I felt like that message is just something, and I just want to come in here and say that, it's the first time I'm actually doing a video like this, because I'm sure a lot of people already know how to install a wig, and I've done so many other videos on my YouTube channel on how to install a wig. I have a website. My website is illustriousbeauty.com, where I sell human hair products. And I also have a book, a digital book that's it's called How to Become a Wig Influencer, that I've just written and posted and placed on my website, which you can, at the moment, you can only get digital downloads, which are on my website right now. So if you're interested, you can go ahead and visit thelustriousbbeauty.com to see my products and my book. And I wish you nothing but peace and success for 2024. And I'll see you. Thank you for listening, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.